Hey Gibbs, think you ever might be interested in actually getting on your knees? No way.
No.
No way. Why do such? Who needs your knees? Hi, Gibby. 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 Hi.
Hey, buddy.
Show. Oh yeah, look at that. Moving fast. Gonna get the. Oh, now he's doing the one-legged. Nice.
There you go.
Love you, Gibby. 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 Exhausted.
Yeah, don't flop down on this floor. Then.
Good thing I just cleaned the floor. It's gotta hurt his legs.
He's pretty fast.
He is.
Yep, that's why they put the child safety things on the.
Love you.